Hello, and welcome to Nexstara's video series on the Salesforce Developer Workbooks. In this track, we'll be walking you through the Force.com workbook. This series covers Chapter 1, Create an App and Database, and this video covers Section 5, Relate Objects. We're now going to create a new custom object with fields that reference other custom objects we've previously created. First, click Setup, then Create, Objects. Now click New Custom Object. For label, type line item, and for plural label, type line items. Do not check the box starts with vowel sound. The record name will be line item number, and the data type is text. Check the box for Allow Reports in case we want to run reports on this object in the future. Now click Save. Now we're going to add a custom field to the line item custom object we've just created. So click New next to Custom Fields and Relationships, and for the type, choose Number, then click Next. For the field label, type in Quantity, and check the Required checkbox. Then click Next, click Next again, and finally click Save. Now we're going to create a relationship between the line item object and the invoice object that we created previously. So once again, click New next to Custom Fields and Relationships. And this time, the data type is Master Detail Relationship. Then click Next. The Related To box should be Invoice. And then click Next. The field label is Invoice, and if you press Tab to the field name box, it will automatically fill it in as Invoice. Then just click Next. Click Next again. Click Next one more time. And finally, click Save and New. Now we'll create a relationship with the merchandise object. This time click Lookup Relationship and click Next. For Related To, this time choose Merchandise. Click Next. Once again, tab down to the field name box and it will automatically fill in the word merchandise. Do not check the required box this time. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Next one more time. And you'll want to uncheck the boxes for merchandise layout and append related list. Now click Save. Now let's try out the new features of our app. Click the Invoices tab, and then click New, and then Save to create a new invoice. Now click New Line Item. For the line item number field, type 1. For quantity, type 2. And then in the merchandise field, type the first few letters of the word laptop, and click the magnifying glass icon. It looks up the laptop merchandise record. Then click Save. The relationships between objects can start to get a bit complex, but Salesforce provides a way to view the relationships graphically to help you keep track. Click Setup, then click Schema Builder. Now click Clear All in case any boxes are checked already. Then check the checkboxes for Merchandise, Invoice, and Line Item. Now click Auto Layout to arrange the boxes automatically, but you can manually drag the boxes into a layout that makes more sense to you. The red and blue lines show you the lookup and master detail relationships between objects. The crow's feet at the end of the line tell you which side is the many side of a one-to-many relationship. For instance, one invoice can contain multiple line items. When you're done looking at the schema, click Close. In our next video, we'll cover Section 6, Loading Data Using the Custom Object Import Wizard. Thank you for joining us. For more great content, click to follow us on Google+.